Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Walid Khan, and your?
Walid Khan?
Yeah.
My name is Winda.
Suita.
Winda.
Wina.
Yeah, like my profile.
Okay.
My name is like my profile.
Winda.
Winda. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Walid. Actually, I just want to practice my English.
Really? Same
That's
here. I'm also practicing English. That's why I'm here.
Wow, that's good. That's good. That's good. First time when I come to Vigo, I just want to practice my English, but I saw just crazy people here,
Yeah.
have a lot of crazy people.
It's a
And
dating
no
application.
one can teach me.
It's the dating
Yeah?
application.
What?
That's why so many kind of people here come for fun. No one here
Yeah.
for learn English. So it's a little bit crazy.
It's so much crazy. Because I come to join Vigo about I think almost 2 years, and I have a good friend a lot here too, but I saw many bad people, many crazy people in here too,
Yeah.
but now I can handle the people like that. Before when I meet someone makes a bad thing to me, I got shocked and cry, because I never saw before in my life. Like no one do like that with me before, but now I can handle it. Just joking for me. It's like that.
So many kind of people in the whole world, not only specific any countries. Everywhere, good and bad, both are
Yeah.
live. So you don't worry about
Exactly.
it. Don't feel bad, okay? It's happen, it's a normal thing.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. My friend told me also like just just let them go. Just let them go because maybe they cannot do like this in the real life. That's why they come to social media and do like this with people.
Yeah,
That's why.
it's a virtual life,
But-
not our personal life.
Uh-huh.
We here
Yeah. Get
enjoy
it.
fun, so many things. Also, we can learn
Yeah.
from social media.
Yeah. Exactly.
Everywhere,
Nice to.
good and
Huh?
bad. Everywhere, good and bad, but depend on you. How can you use it? I speak about social media. If you use it good way, it's good for you. If you use it bad way, it's bad for you. I'm right?
Yeah.
So it's my
Agree.
opinion. It's
Agree.
only depend on yourself, not the other. So
Okay.
what do you do for living?
No, I'm a company employee. I'm supervisor in company, and I work so hard every day. Oh my God! Like actually today is my crazy working day because it's so crazy and busy and tired. I don't know how to explain. Like
You are exhausted today.
yeah, it's like that. What about you? What's about your job? You work? What do you work
I
on
work in a job.
in Bangladesh?
I work in a bank as a computer operator.
Like a programmer?
Yeah, I especially make a loan document.
Ah, in bank?
Yeah, in bank.
In bank company?
Yeah, it's a government bank.
Ah, that's great. That's great. That's great job.
Yeah,
How old are you? I think you're still young. I think you're still young.
not very young. I'm 28 years old. 20.
28?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Nice. Because I asked because I have friends from Bangladesh too, but he still but he live in UK, and he told me about Bangladesh now it's very hard. It's very hard for life.
Yeah,
Really?
few facilities to get a job. It's very difficult to get a good job in Bangladesh because increasing population
Yeah, I
is
saw.
very badly nowadays in my country.
Yeah. It's about government, right?
Yeah.
It's about economy, about economy in your country also. I saw like I feel many people don't have job and have protest also like
So many
before.
education people there don't have any kind of job. So it's a very bad sight for our country.
Ah,
So that's why so many people
so
work
sad, no?
our other country. You can find other country, every country in Bangladeshi people.
Yeah, yeah, I saw like Brunei, Canada, many country have like Bangladesh people, Pakistan people go to work there a lot
If
too.
you want a good
Anyway,
lifestyle,
like
you have to go other countries. They provide a good job, good life, I think.
yeah, 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 I saw too. Anyway, like I cheer up you and keep it up, keep doing and have a good life.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Everyone deserve a
Yeah.
good life, you know.
Mm-hmm. And I know like one day in the future, your country will have like new, how say like new government. One day
Yeah.
everything will gonna be changed. I think one day your country gonna be changed and better.
Yeah, one day
Get
I
better.
think everything is fixed is very soon, I think, because government
Yeah.
is changed nowadays. So it's take time, but it's happen very soon. It's my
Yeah,
personal
yeah.
opinion. I don't know about it happen or not. Yeah.
Hang in there, and keep it up in your life also. And nice to talk with you, and see you later on video if next time we meet again.
Yeah, sure.
I appreciate to talk with you.
Yeah, thank
Thank
you.
you, and see you later.
Yeah, have a good
Have a
time.
nice day. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
You too.